Hey guys, this is how we roll. You can't beat the quality and the price you get from Butcher Box. This is a monthly delivery. I'll show you how it's packed. I'll show you what I got. The steaks especially are delicious. Everything's grass-fed, no hormones, no antibiotics. It's good meat that's good for you. There you go. Better meat for a better you. Humanely raised, no antibiotics or added hormones ever. See what we got here, guys. So I already actually unboxed it. This is the insulation that comes in it. 3 bags of dry ice. It's August, and you can still see there's plenty of ice, and it's middle of the afternoon. Actually, it's 4:30 in the afternoon. I just got this off the front porch. This is the top. Just inside the box, you can see the insulation there. It's all biodegradable. And then you can see it's completely surrounding. That's probably 1 inch of insulation. It's completely surrounding the whole box. So they do a really good job packing it. Don't worry about it sitting on your front porch all day while you're at work. Let's take a real quick look, see what we got. Butcher Box, you can order your subscription box, and then every month they have sales, special items. They'll send you the emails, and sometimes it's just too good to pass up. I got some pulled pork we've never tried from them. I don't recommend the hot dogs. This video isn't sponsored by them. We enjoy this meat. I do the grilling videos, and this is what we use on the grill. So got some pork carnitas, wanted to try it. They had a special I couldn't pass up. So this was all special items. Got some Applewood smoked uncured bacon. It's also on special, some organic apple chicken sausage, and then some apple Gouda uncured sausage. It's good stuff. I've had both of those, but they were on special, so I got them again. The frozen burgers, can't beat them. 3rd pound, 6 in each bag. They had a special 2 bag. I get 1 bag in my box, but they had 2 bags. I forget what the special price was, but it's too good to pass up. I love using these things, you know, on weekends. If I'm doing yard work, I want something real quick for lunch. It takes 10 minutes to grill the burger, and you got something hot, and they're delicious. They're grass-fed, grass-finished, 3rd pound. You can see right there, no antibiotics or added hormones ever. Got some ribeyes, delicious cuts of meat, and some strips. Delicious, probably my 2 favorite cuts that I've gotten from them. 2 pounds of ground beef. All of it is grass-fed, grass-finished. Depending on when you sign up for Butcher Box, they always have a special so you'll get bacon for life, or ground beef for life, or strips for life. I happen to sign up for the ground beef during the ground beef month, so I get 2 pounds of ground beef free every time I get a subscription box. And you don't have to get the box every month. You can always, like if you didn't eat that much, or you went on vacation, or whatever, you just don't eat that much in a month, you can go into your account and you can set the next box date ahead, and that's what I do. We probably get 1 box every 3 months. 3.3 pounds of chicken tenderloins, no antibiotics, no hormones ever. Then another 3.4 pounds of chicken breasts, so 7 pounds of chicken, 2 pounds a bag, 8 pounds of ground beef, 4 excellent cuts of steak, and then all my sausage and bacon, and then the carnitas and pulled pork barbecue. Can't beat it. If you're interested in trying this quality meat, go check the link out down below in the description. If you purchase through that link at this time, it's $50 off your first order.